Achieving the perfect, creamy mayonnaise requires more than a recipe. It requires precision engineering. Introducing the Mayo Mixer series from MAKWELL, your expert mayonnaise machine manufacturer, featuring innovative designs for simple operation and low cost of ownership. Inside the Mayo Mixer vacuum processing unit, initial ingredients are efficiently pre-mixed under ideal, robust conditions. Then, our advanced homogenizing technology perfectly emulsifies the oil, creating a stable, high-quality mixture with flawless textures, batch after batch. But the Mayo Mixer's versatility goes beyond mayonnaise, enabling production of sauces, creams, and lotions for the food, cosmetics, and pharmaceutical industries. Still worried about formulas or matching machines? MAKWELL offers more than just a mixer. We provide complete turnkey solutions, from formula development and egg washing, to filling, and final packaging. Our entire production lines are built for efficiency, featuring our reliable MAKWELL valves and innovative product recovery systems that minimize waste and simplify cleaning. From small labs to large-scale factories, MAKWELL customizes the perfect solution for you. Visit makwell.com to build your perfect production line.